This omnidirectional camera module offers full-circle horizontal coverage and a generous vertical sweep, making it excellent for robotics vision, surveillance experiments, and interactive installations. The integrated high-torque serial bus servos and magnetic encoder provide smooth motion, accurate positioning, and closed-loop feedback that hobbyists and researchers can actually rely on. Its wide-angle 5-megapixel sensor captures a very broad scene with respectable clarity, which is ideal for room mapping, telepresence rigs, and creative panoramic projects. Built-in illumination helps the camera maintain usable images when ambient lighting is poor, so it stays practical for evening testing or dim indoor environments. Tight integration with recent Raspberry Pi boards and an open web-based control interface make it straightforward to get running and inviting for deeper customization or secondary development. Thoughtful extras like the included mounting rail, standard tripod-style screw, and access to mechanical models make it much easier to embed this pan-tilt head into larger custom builds.